Pancakes! Light, fluffy, and oh so delicious. They're the perfect way to start your day. But did you know pancakes can also be healthy? That's right. You can enjoy this breakfast favorite without any guilt. Healthy pancakes are quick and easy to make. Plus, they're packed with good-for-you ingredients. Think fruits, oats, and even sneaky veggies. So put on your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe you'll need rolled oats, ripe bananas, eggs, milk, a pinch of cinnamon, and a dash of baking powder. Don't worry, these are just the basics. You can swap things in and out to suit your taste. Lactose intolerant? No problem. Use almond milk or soy milk instead of cow's milk. Want extra fiber? Add a spoonful of chia seeds or flax seed. Feeling adventurous? A handful of blueberries or chopped spinach will add a nutritious and colorful twist. Now for the fun part, making the pancakes. Grab your blender and add the oats first. Blitz them into a fine flour, then add the bananas, eggs, milk, cinnamon, and baking powder. Blend everything until smooth. Heat a little oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a spoonful of batter onto the pan for each pancake. Cook for a few minutes until bubbles appear on the surface. Then flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Repeat until all the batter is used. Remember, patience is key. Don't flip the pancakes too early or they might break. Congratulations! You've made healthy and delicious pancakes. Now let's get creative with toppings. Fresh fruit like strawberries, blueberries, or bananas are always a winner. A dollop of yogurt adds a protein boost, while a sprinkle of chopped nuts provides healthy fats. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup will satisfy your sweet tooth.